In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Constant Contact account. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that you're able to do it smoothly and efficiently without any hiccups. First, let's start by navigating to the internet and opening your preferred search engine like Google. Type in Constant Contact and find their official website. Once you've located it, click on the link to go directly to the site. Now that you're on the Constant Contact homepage, look for the Login option. It's typically placed on the top right corner of the web page. Click on Login, and this will lead you to a new page where you can enter your account credentials, input your email and password associated with your Constant Contact account, and sign in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see a small question mark icon, often at the top right-hand side. This icon represents help or support, and when clicked, it will reveal additional options. Go ahead and click on that question mark icon. After clicking the icon, a drop-down menu or a new page will appear with several support options. What you're looking for is the Contact Us link. Click on Contact Us, and this will redirect you to another part of the website dedicated to customer support queries. In this section, observe for a tab or button that indicates I'm looking for help with. Click on that, and from the available options, make sure to select Support. You're almost halfway through the process, so hang in there. You'll likely see a search box where you can type in queries. In this box, type Delete My Account to specify exactly what assistance you're looking for. Once you've entered your query, hit the Next button to proceed to the next step. You'll then be presented with additional options or confirmations. At this point, look for and click on Continue to Email. This will lead you to an email form where you can formally request the deletion of your account. Finally, after filling out the form and ensuring all details are correctly entered, click on Submit. This action sends your request to Constant Contact support team, and they should get back to you with a confirmation or additional instructions. That's it. You've successfully submitted a request to delete your Constant Contact account. Remember, it may take some time for the process to be completely finalized, so keep an eye on your email for any correspondence from their support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.